everybody, it's me, Bird, and I'm listening to my favorite artist, Juice WRLD. And I invited John Lennon and Kevin Christopher and Mimi to come hang out and listen to Juice WRLD with me. Here we are now. Welcome to the Juice WRLD party, guys. Help yourself to some cupcakes. Well, thank you, Bird. We're happy we're here. And thank you, Bird, for inviting us. I'm just happy I'm out of that house where Paul can't judge us for listening to Juice WRLD. I feel your pain, guys, especially your pain, Mimi, because John Lennon was just trying to get you to something you want. Yeah, that's right. And nobody tells Mimi what she can't and she can't listen to. That's right, Mimi. Thank you, John. You know I always got your back, Mimi. And oh, guys, one time I was in the studio with Jennifer Lee and I was playing some Juice WRLD, right? And Jennifer Lee hated Juice WRLD. Like, who hates Juice WRLD? I feel your pain, Kevin Christopher. Thank you, Bird. That really means a lot. Now let's enjoy this Juice WRLD song. Okay, guys, let's party! Let's do it. Yeah. Oh, that Paul, man. I want to be here. Yeah.